Seal the perimeter where vinyl plank meets tub, shower, and toilet to prevent moisture intrusion. Start by inspecting the gap between the vinyl plank flooring and any fixed fixture. If the manufacturer allows seam sealing, apply a continuous bead of high-quality waterproof silicone caulk rated for bathrooms and mildew resistance, smoothing it with a wet finger or caulk tool so it fills gaps without compressing the plank edge. Where the plank meets the tub or shower threshold, run the caulk between the flooring and the fixture face, not beneath the plank, so water runs over the seal rather than under it. Install a waterproof base shoe molding nailed into the wall or subfloor, not through the plank, and seal the top edge of that molding with a light bead of caulk to direct water away. For toilet installations, trim the plank neatly around the flange, reinstall the toilet with a wax ring or modern water sealing gasket per the toilet maker, then caulk around the base on the outer edge only to allow any condensation to escape under the toilet rather than trapping moisture. Always follow the vinyl plank maker's installation and warranty guidance about edge sealing and whether their product is classified as waterproof or water resistant, because some adhesives and edge treatments void warranties. Common errors are overcaulking that hides a gap but traps moisture under the plank, using non-bathroom rated caulk that fails quickly, and nailing or screwing moldings through the plank, which creates pathways for water. If you overcaulk, remove the old bead, dry the area, and reseal correctly so the caulk sits at the joint without bridging into an unsupported void. If the wrong caulk was used, cut and remove it, dry the seam with a fan or hair dryer on low, then apply a mildew-resistant silicone made for wet areas. If moldings are installed through the plank, replace the fasteners into the wall or subfloor and patch the screw holes with an appropriate flexible sealant to restore the waterproofing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who do bathroom waterproofing and vinyl plank installations, and it connects contractors with project leads. We host a discussion community where members share real-world tips, product experiences, and installation questions so our users can learn from each other and make better choices.